Hey and welcome, new Moonifester. So this video is for you today because you're here to awaken your divine feminine power as a badass spiritual bachelorette or boss babe who runs her business on bliss and runs her twin flame partnership like a well-oiled love machine. Now that's what I call BLI, $NESS, blissness. Okay, so if you're ready to manifest financial abundance with optimal levels of love, pleasure, and ease, and you're ready to align your twin flame, watch it in full so that you can prepare for this powerful, upcoming, and wonderful new moon 999, which is at 17 degrees in Virgo on September 9th, 2018. So first in this video, I'll share the general astrology so you can get prepared. Then I'll dive into the blissness energy updates for you badass boss babe entrepreneurs. And then I'll wrap up with a twin flame energy report so that you twinsies can maximize your relationship, your connection, your pleasure this month. Before we jump into the new moon general themes, I want to invite you to join us on the Virgo new moon 999 for a new moon raw cacao sisterhood ceremony that's designed for committed love leaders to set their goals for the month. This month is going to be out of this world juicy because the Virgo new moon on 999 will help you get out of your head and into your feminine space, your pussy power. So I'll be teaching the 5 steps to creating a lucrative business plan with your bliss, the divine feminine way. Then we'll create a ritual of pussy power priestess activation, and we'll be setting our goals for our businesses. So let's now dive in and manifest from your womb space like your mama should have taught you. Just go ahead and click the link below, aphroditeuniversity.org/new-moon, and I'll put that in the description box below, and it is totally free. Do register now as spots are somewhat limited. Okay, sister, here are the September 9th new moon general themes. So overall, this new moon astrology offers some good luck, opportunity, and some succsexiness. So get excited because the main influence in September 2018 is Jupiter SEXtile Pluto. But on the other hand, against our luck is always this other hand, right? In twin flame polarity, we have the Virgo new moon where it's opposite Neptune, which can release some fear, some chaos, and confusion into our atmosphere. So this is a good time to resolve whatever conflict is arising. So then you can put your focus on your soul purpose, your mission, your goals, and before, during, and after the new moon, you'll feel an alignment. Any drama that does arise is actually a gift because it's our shadow shedding itself. For a long time now, we have been afraid to face it. This is the time to face that fear with love. Rest assured that this process will resolve with a positive outcome. So keep your head up, your pussy pleasure turned on, and keep your eye on the prize. You might even find that situations resolve on their own. In some cases, the trash even takes itself out. So if you find difficult people or situations just leaving you, don't worry. Wave them a goodbye and say namaste, namaste, and send love. Because at this new moon, you will see through illusions of fear, and uncover new powerful parts of yourself, but only if you want to. Are you ready to bust through the illusions and the fear? Or do you want to stay stuck in the dead-end sabotage patterns? No, I don't think so. Genius, of course you're ready for this breakthrough. I thought so. So let's make a little prayer calling in the new you. So you're probably in somewhat of a relief after all the craziness of the last couple of months of astrology, the chaos, the eclipses, the planets in retrograde, and then we ended on a big bang full ass moon. So the time is now to get some ambitious goals grounded. You may find yourself in a completely new place in your life. Maybe you've even moved to an entirely new location in this new chapter. Right now, myself and my partner have found ourselves becoming digital nomads for 4 months as we have left Austin and embarked on an adventure on the road from Austin to Sedona, where we led a cacao ceremony. Now we're in California, and we leave for Central America next month to see my brother's cacao farm and give some hugs, and then we'll go to Bali for our upcoming retreat. Check it out. That is happening on 11/11. I'll list it in the link below in the description box. Next, if you haven't already noticed, the date 999 comes from 99 plus 2018, and this is very special. Number 9, it represents wisdom and initiation, and I believe the womb. It also represents the severance from the patriarchy, the completion from that authority figure, that father figure in ourselves that's been so harsh. 9 is a triumphant number. It represents that babushka doll that has all the other numbers inside of it down to 0. And that 9 number, it represents multiplication to great heights. 9 is a highly spiritual twin flame number. Truly, everything's twin flame energy. But in a sense, it represents the divine masculine energy turning into the feminine, into that vulnerable space. It's about bringing spiritual energy to the world for the benefit of all without attachment to outcomes. So this triple 999 on the new moon, it specifically means new beginnings of the new moon, the feminine energy of creation coming into place within ourselves, that place where we've healed from the patriarchy and made peace with the father, and now we can rise as high priestesses. Destiny is nudging you into your true life course. You may let go of what is no longer serving you and clear a path for your goals, passions, and relationships at this time that are aligned for you with destiny on your mission. But do get super clear on what you want and know that good luck is available to you at this time. Ask your higher self and guides for clarity and how you can best bring your true power, your gifts, and your joy to the world and manifest a life that reflects this. This Virgo new moon is a great time to start fresh, download your next steps, and take action from a new, more aligned place like a virgin touched for the very first time, Virgo Virgin. Okay, so Boss Babe, what are the exciting business energy updates? Well, every new moon is the perfect time to set those monthly blissness goals. So make sure you're in alignment with your purpose, your power, and your pussy too, because the sacred chalice is the space that births life, and the sacral chakra is connected to the Virgo Virgin energy, that place that bubbles up in the sacral chakra with feminine energy that is fruitful for manifestation potential. So tune into your womb wisdom this month like a virgin and expect to be surprised by new opportunities that fall into your lap. Currently, women in business are opening to a new way of doing blissness. In the past, there was a focus primarily on the masculine systems, structures, and sales, and there was not a whole lot of attention to the feminine way of doing things through relationships. So this is a great time to focus on relationship marketing, connecting your clients and potential clients in that nice old-fashioned handshake way versus the new online business systems. They're great, but this month, a simple phone call, a hand-touch note, or just show up at a live event. This could be a very powerful, profitable time to make connections in person. And though live and virtual social media things might be a big part of your business, you'll want to shine with the relationship, the deep, hard connections. For those of you who provide your customers, clients, etc., social media content, I would recommend for you to connect deeply on a soul level and act as if they're in the room, sharing both masculine and masterful tools that you have, but be more vulnerable this month. The 999 energy symbolizes mastery, and so don't be afraid to flaunt all the gifts that you have. You are an expert, so it's not the time to be shy, yet you don't need to brag or broaden your shoulders too much in the masculine this month. This is the time to blend that pride with some sense and sensibility and sensitivity and visibility with vulnerability. Your clients and fans want to be able to relate to you with your vulnerability. They're going to always appreciate your credibility, but you want to not only give them the specific results and tell them that you can do that, you want to mention that you have been there too. Not just that you have a doctorate or a master's or you can do this for them, but you want to be relatable at this time. So be of service and get them to gain that connection with you. Again, balance that credibility and authenticity. Be bold enough to assert authority and also be receptive to connection. This is going to be the best way to sell something this month. Keep in mind that there's good luck to bless you in your blissness this month. So feel that, don't hold back, go for what you want, see what's in the highest good for you and a potential client, and then show up and close the sale because there's a lot of opportunity this month. This is a new chapter, so make the most of it and start again by gaining clarity. Being bold and taking action from your feminine and masculine power this month will guarantee you some great results. So in summary, this is going to be a badass blissness month, but you do have to show up for the growth. Open to receiving good things coming your way. All right, beloved, now I know you love love, so let's swap chapters and I will cut to the chase. Here are the twin flame energy updates. So right before and around a little bit after the new moon is a great time to do ancestral karma healing so that you can move forward as a sovereign individual adult that's free from the old karma, the muck, the masks, the ego, the habits, the fears, the beliefs that don't serve. We don't need these anymore. Again, you don't need to heal everything, all of your ancestors' pain. You can simply send it love, make a prayer, forgive, let go. And I'm going to share a simple 5-step ritual. I'll post it. It's a video I created a couple weeks ago called Ancestral Karma Clearing Ritual for Twin Flames. 5 steps, and I will link it to the video here. If you're not in physical union with your beloved yet, this healing stuff with your ancestors is the place to go next. You'll definitely want to do this work. If you're already in physical union with your twin, then this will help you harmonize and bring more depth to your union with less drama. It's a perfect time to do this. Do some research also on your ancestors. Talk to parents, grandparents, anyone living who can give you some clues about your ancestors. And even if you're adopted, you can ask around on this, get some info on your bloodline, and worst comes to worst, you can even meditate and connect with the souls in your lineage, and you can feel into that. Either way, learning about your family history can and will help you understand yourself on a much deeper level so you can do the healing work. You can also go onto sites like Ancestry.com, genealogy.com to learn more about your roots. Or if you like, you can even learn to communicate with your ancestors telepathically. I know some of you are really into the woo, some of you are new. You can start by even having a little lunch date. Taking an ancestor to lunch, maybe that you've never even met, if they're on the other side. And you can offer them a prayer space. You can have a little chat. Your imagination is so much more powerful than you know for healing. All right, sister. So this is going to be a juicy new moon in Virgo. I hope you enjoyed the update. So much 999 love to you. And I look forward to seeing you live on the new moon raw cacao ceremony this Sunday, September 9th. It's going to be epic. And if you're a woman who is sick of doing business the boring, masculine way, maybe you've been literally building or built a 6 or 7 figure business in a masculine way that's gotten you sick, or in adrenal fatigue, or you're just feeling not fulfilled, or maybe you've got downright burnout. There is another way. Divine feminine power is magnetic, magnificent, magical. It's magical and also nourishing. It's the balance of that feminine and masculine that creates an unstoppable business, mission, and empire. And I know that you have a big purpose and that money is an important part of the conversation. Love is everything. And love includes money. So if you're ready to learn how to make love bucks the divine feminine way that nurtures you and that comes from your sacred feminine chalice, then register for the new moon raw cacao ceremony, and I will link that below. Get out of your head and into the pussy. Join us together. We're going to be sharing those 5 steps to creating a lucrative business plan with your bliss. And I am so excited to co-create a luscious raw cacao activation from your vagina in Virgo. Thank you for joining, watching, and I will see you on Sunday. And I just want to thank you again to all my fans for your support. Please go ahead and like this video and gently press the subscribe button if you want to join me for some more videos. Thank you for being part of this tribe. This is my bliss. And don't forget to register for the complimentary 999 Epic Cacao Ceremony so we can co-create some juicy magic. Much love, my sister. Namaste. Namaste, baby, baby, baby.